Scotty, are we getting it up for Sam?
Yep.
Wow. It's a little early for that.
Scotty's not with it this morning, so just bear with me.
We both had rough evenings.
Yeah. When you have MS and you get leg cramps for no reason all day long, and they finally decide to settle down somewhat at night and then flare back up again, yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Scotty had cramps because he's on his period. I'm kidding. I was on my gastrointestinal period last night. Jesus.
Yeah.
I about launched off though. It was rough. Anyway, we're here. It's
We're
like
clear.
just
Deal
you.
with it.
I deal with it. Anyway, going up. We got our spring rubbers yesterday. They actually came yesterday afternoon. So we're ahead of schedule now because we were waiting till like this was not be here till like 10 or 11
later
today.
today or tomorrow.
So we're cranking. So we're gonna get the wheel off. We're gonna drop our spring out. We're gonna put it back together and be done. All right, here we are. Continuing on Sam's good old Astro van. So I've got the tie rod end off, which it's really easy when they're heimed. Got that done. I got the shock out because we are replacing the upper spring rubber in the arm because Sam had some squeaky. It was more like a little dude banging, as you guys could hear in previous videos. So I'm going to undo his sway bar end link. And I'm going to undo the lower ball joint. I'm going to just drop the arm out, drop the spring out, change the rubber, and put it all back together. Easy.
We don't use rubbers. I mean, yeah, hey, hi everybody, hi.
On cars, we do, not in car. Wait, what?
Yeah.
What? For how many? Is it Scooby Snacks?
We're doing Scooby Snacks now.
Okay. So
we're out of Klondike bars. They're on back order.
You did too many crazy things for Klondike bars. That's why we're out.
Yeah, this is true.
Oh my god. All right, so I'm going to undo the sway bar, undo the beach, and drop the spring out. All right, we've got our ball joint popped. I have the nut on it so the thing just doesn't go flying, obviously. So, look at your sway bar end link bushing, Sam. They're a little, not so nice. Just putting it out there. And when we get this apart, probably just end up popping a set of bushings in there because we have them in stock. Bada boom, bada bing, no worries. And go from there. There's our spring. And there's our arm. So we're going to put our new rubber in. Genuine GM AC Delco, of course, as per Sam's request. Put this baby back together. Nice and new and clean. All right, springs back in. Scotty's going to lower the lift. I'm going to use the jack. Get this lined up, get that up, and we're going to put this baby back together. All right, everything's back together.